Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing a scary game. Oh, and it's today's her view. You get to see all her views today.
Yeah. Sorry, I wasn't talking. Okay. Going into the scary elevator. So.
Are we going now? Are we going now or
Yeah.
okay.
Go outside! Oh,
I'm going.
I died.
Oh, I died too. Oops.
Okay, so this is a scary game, obviously.
Yeah.
I don't think I played it, but these are the killers.
Is that SpongeBob?
I like this one right here, the new that will scare me to death.
Is that also Squidward?
I think I'm mostly scared of probably SpongeBob.
Why SpongeBob?
Wait, come on.
Oh, let's go in the village. I'm coming. Oh. It's
I
fine.
like my outfit, guys. I'm in the decorations here.
Yes.
Squidward. Oh my god, my worst nightmare.
Oh, this house.
Oh.
He's getting closer. And closer. Look at those eyeballs.
Hello there.
Oh my god, he killed you.
I was too close. I was trying to get that good views.
Yeah, but you died.
Leave me alone.
Oh god. Oh, I made it! Yay! First try.
Cannot hide from me.
Yes, I can.
My name is Taggy, and yeah. Oh wait, that's sad. Can I hide and seek? Oops.
Alone. Who's alone? Oh my god, this sounds like from Left 4 Dead. Oh.
Wait, where's the killer? Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. The killer's over there.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. It killed like a lot of people. Oh my god. Kill her.
You can't kill her!
Not you. I mean, kill you.
Oh, her name's Sally. Ah! Oh,
You made it.
barely.
Oh my god. You see how low I am?
Oh yeah. I'm pretty good.
I'm so low.
Okay.
Are you really eating goldfish while recording?
Yeah.
Claire?
Chara.
Oh, Chara. You know I can't read.
Okay.
Why did I do so fast? I want to be fast.
Ah!
Don't stir my...
I died. She was very close.
Ooh, I love this jam. You can group to this. Oh, is it Chara or Chara? 50-50.
That was
Really? Oh, can we go in the doors? Let's do one in this door. Oh, only certain doors have their entrance.
Do you remember?
Oh, I made it.
I didn't. But do you remember from
3 in a row. Sorry.
Do you remember from what's it called? Happy Death Day?
Like the movie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a person with your mask that could be like what's it called, baby doll mask.
Oh, happy.
No. Oh my god, it's the apple!
You know what they always say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
I'm here. I'm backing up.
I'm going up here. A little close to me. Get up.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, run! They killed me! No!
Already?
Run, just run.
What are you doing?
I don't know, not running. You're walking more likely.
I'm gonna hide.
No, Trashkin, why are you leaving towards them?
No!
Oh,
I
you barely made that. He was coming towards your direction.
no.
Cannot hide from me.
Okay, like the ooh.
Wait, who was it?
Attic.
Oh my god, it's Annabelle! Oh my god, I'm so scared of her. I hate
Ow.
Annabelle.
It's a doll.
Ah!
Dog! Oh my god. Just jump, just jump.
It spawns right in front of me.
I know, you screamed in my ears. I'm like deaf now.
Fine.
I mean,
Right next to me.
Oh,
right next to
oh
you.
man, it's killing me. It killed me.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my god!
Oh god, it's killing you. I think you just died.
And it finished. Wow.
Wow. I'm in an elevator, hurry. Our voices are gonna be so sore.
Yeah, usually when we make videos, our voices are it's a killer.
Basement. Is it like a square box attacking us?
Oh my gosh, Michael Myers.
Oh my god.
Or is it Jason? I get.
Can't really tell.
Oh my god, it's Michael!
Oh my god. Where is he? Where's Michael?
I'm running.
I'm in the elevator still. I never left. I'm just watching everyone die on my screen.
Bruh.
No!
Oh my god,
What?
I died.
Oh, that stinks for you. You should at least stayed in the elevator.
Why?
I don't know, like jumping, dancing in the elevator right now.
Why?
You could have been like me.
Stop.
Hip hop.
Oh.
See, look, me in the trash can. Me.
The witch.
Is it really?
Rana? Is that what they call it? I'm kidding. I'm so she's a killer.
Yeah, where is she at? Or he?
Oh my god, she's chasing me!
No, it's you. I know it's like. Oh my god, she's killing me. She's killing me. Oh god. Oh, no, no, no. I'm almost dead. I'm next to this right here.
Wait, why is he Sally, but I call
I'm watching everyone die.
What are you doing? Why is he always hiding?
Huh?
He always hides.
No, look, we're together.
You barely survived that.
I know. Wait, no, I survived that. Yeah, I'm still in the green zone, not the red zone.
I'm fully healthy.
Good.
Old dolls.
Good guy dolls. I think I said that. Yeah.
Chucky.
Oh god, the little doll dude.
I hate Chucky too, but I'm not like
Friends to. Oh man, it's going after me. Go after the dude. Go. Oh my god, it's going after me. Why after me? Like it aims at a. It aims at a target. Like you know how a heat seeking missile. But you know how like a missile like follows you? It was like that to me.
I escaped.
How do you escape?
There was like a vent that was gonna open.
Oh.
Oh my god, don't come up to me! I survived.
We survived.
This was like Moana.
This movie, this song sounds like 1980s.
I know, that's really scary.
Oh yeah.
Creepers. That's classic.
Mhm.
I love scary movies.
I hate scary. I hate scary movies.
Michael?
Is it Michael?
It's Michael.
It's always Michael.
Like someone.
Target locked. I'm watching everyone die on my screen.
It's always
No trash can. Oh my god. No.
Trash can.
Oh my god, someone's going after me. Where are you at?
I'm not telling you.
I see you. Hello.
Back up! You're gonna give our spot away.
Oh man. Oh man.
Oh my god! Run!
Oh god. I'm just hopping my way to victory.
I know.
The trash can passed me though.
I'm good.
Oh, there's a block here.
Oh, there's a pickle.
Is it a pickle? I thought it was a block.
No, it's a pickle.
Oh, I couldn't see his face. No, I didn't see his face. I just saw his body with his. Oh, it's a pickle. Like it's just a rectangular square.
Like, why does it cut right there? I don't know what I'm saying.
I know. Happy, are you ready? Isn't it?
Wait, why did it shine the same thing?
I don't know. Do we vote on it or something?
Wait. I like this song.
This is actually one of the most peaceful songs.
Oh my god, so sorry. And I died. I pressed the button.
Oh my god! For a second, it logged out of the thing for a second there. Oops. Okay, my mouse clicked the new tab accidentally, and then I got to a new tab. You were like, were you wondering like I was just standing so still?
I wasn't even looking at you.
Okay. Get in the elevator! Get in the elevator! It's not recording. It's not recording. That's fine. I need to talk. Oh my wait, who's chasing us? Oh my god.
Jason has been released. Oh, I forgot how scared his voice is. Jason's right after me, but I'm like in the
I'm in the corner hiding.
too.
Oh, it's super dark over here.
No, look at my
Oh, right there.
screen.
Yeah, right there.
I know, I saw you.
Oh, we won.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's 2 pickles. First.
I'm good right here.
Look at, wait, you see the pickle? Like it's trying to attack the pickle?
Wait, what is it doing?
It's trying to attack the pickle.
It's doing a terrible job, so I'm just gonna walk right next to it.
I fell to the floor.
Dude, that was
Yeah, there you go. Oh, look, this dude has a fidget spinner. Oh my god.
yeah, that's no, I'm just kidding.
Wow.
It should have been only used for good things, not just
Wow.
you know.
Oh, you have 140 points.
Oh my god, come on.
Again. Is this randomized or is it...
I know, I was trying to check his point.
Where's she at?
She's right there.
Oh, made it.
The other way.
Hello. Slender!
Come on, please be a good one.
Yep.
Bendy. That's new.
Who's Bendy?
Are you serious?
Oh, I know it's Bendy. Never mind.
Oh.
I'm
Grace
just...
comes through. And not Bendy.
I'm running to new floors. So there's something about new floors outside. Outside the elevator says like new floors. Oh, look, she's a Louis Vuitton
I know,
hat.
that's what I was talking about.
Oh, because I thought you were just looking at her pants and her shirt. I never realized that her, what's it
Her
called?
hat was Louis Vuitton.
Yeah.
Oh!
Who is it?
Oh no. No!
Who killed ya?
What do you think? The killer.
Well, I know the killer, but who's the killer?
I don't know, it was like something.
Oh, he killed me too. He was like a target on me.
I was looking dead.
I was the second one dead.
I ran.
Are you still alive?
No.
Oh, I see you die.
Yeah, I got it.
It's okay. It's not
Happy
okay.
Spooktober.
Happy Spooktober? I like that.
It's not new.
I know, but I like it.
And then, if you're wondering why we sound really good,
Oh, God.
it's because we got a new microphone. What happened?
My thing is caps lock.
What is this? Oh, Jason.
Oh my god. Okay, there you go.
He's coming after you.
This dude's dead.
Jason, I'm sorry!
Oh man.
Wow.
Like, what do you mean, Charlie?
You didn't get the Charlie?
Oh, that one. Is he behind me? Oh, rude.
I know.
Oh wait, what's this? The portal.
You escaped?
Oh yeah, we escaped. Yay! I can't take you
Wait, I
serious.
don't even know where Charlie's at.
I don't know, and I don't want to find out either.
Found it.
Oh, found him.
That one was kind of easy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I hate this dude! Please don't.
Come in, come in. Let's go. Oh wait! I died.
I died too! One hit! I forgot his name, but he's very scary.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I think
I
we're
think
gonna.
we're gonna end it here, guys.
Yeah, at least we ended something with something new. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Everyone died. Please subscribe and like the video.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Happy Spooktober!
Bye.